Today I have an old brushed chrome Zippo. Look at the date stamp. You can see there are 3 dots on the left, 4 dots on the right. Look at all the charts, that's going to indicate 1956. The hinge is pretty good. It does have a little bit of a wobble. I'm not sure that's the right word. It doesn't move much. The welds, it doesn't appear to have been repaired or anything. Everything looks clean. It does have some dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes, those sort of maladies. All in all, the case of the lighter is in very good condition. Not mint, but very good to excellent condition. The insert in this lighter is mismatched. It's not original to the lighter. Best I can tell, the earliest this insert could have been manufactured was 1968, and I don't really see the difference in the ones that came after that. Looks like it could have been anywhere from 68 to 82. (1968) to 1982, and the insert is really jacked up too. So if I'd had proper, matching insert to put in this, I wouldn't have had any problem doing it. Since this one's so messed up, and not original to the lighter to begin with, I don't know what the harm would have been in that. But I don't have one. I don't have that insert. I probably did a while back before I sold some stuff off, but it doesn't help me today. So this lighter will be listed as it's seen in the video, with the insert that, as I said, could have been anywhere from 68 to 82. Nothing printed on the back side. You have your normal patination that you would expect from a lighter that age. I always think it's interesting. I guess it doesn't matter to Zippo which way they come off the line. or which way they put the weld in there. It just seemed to me like it would have been better to put them to where they were always facing the same direction in relation to the hinge, but they're not. You never know when you pick one up with being able to read the bottom. Is the hinge going to be to the left or the right? As I said, there are scrapes, scuffs, dings, dents. You can see there in the light, but overall, very good. Lighter in very good condition. The hinge is, as I said, not the tightest, but certainly not wobbly. Just has a little bit of a wobble there. A little bit. And once again, note the damage to the chimney. So if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button on the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. And go ahead and send them a text. Send the link in a text or email, however you communicate with them, and let them get a look at it for themselves. On social media, that would be Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, even eBay. You can follow us on eBay as well. Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com. And if you like old, useful things, then stay tuned.